Golf fitness takeaway with reverse lunge. Holding a golf club in both hands at arm's length, have your left hand facing the body and your right hand facing forward. Adopt your golf address stance. Keep both arms straight as you slowly take both arms away from the body. Keeping the weight on your left leg, lunge backwards with your right foot. Try to turn your torso and raise your right hand high, aiming to get your left shoulder under your chin as you complete your lunge. Pause for a second before returning to the start position. Aim to complete 10 repetitions maintaining good posture, and then repeat to the left with the left foot lunging backwards, remembering to swap hand positions as you do so.